Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get DeepSeek AI API key. So in order to get it, you first have to launch your web browser and you need to search for deepseek.com. Afterwards, you just have to first log in into your account and then you just have to open a new tab and search for this doc. I will also try to put the link of it down in the description so that you could come to it very easily. Now this is the URL that you can type in your web browser, and after that you need to apply for an API key. So if you click on the API key option, as you can see that it is saying currently the website is under maintenance, and you will have to just wait for some time until this options comes again. In the meantime, we can just understand how this API key works. So once you have obtained an API key, remember after applying it, you can access the DeepSeek API using the following example scripts. So this is a known stream example. You can set the stream parameter to true to get the stream response. So first you need to just apply for the API key, and once you get it, then you just have to follow these steps or these instructions in order to basically use it properly. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.